Hello everyone, today, I'm excited to introduce you to 3 amazing welding-free connectors for your LED projects. As you may know, standard LED strips come in lengths of 5 to 50 meters. When installing, cutting them to different lengths can be a hassle. That's where our easy-to-use connectors come in. Let's talk about the advantages. Our connectors feature 28WG wire, made from high-grade imported PC material and premium copper. The copper contacts are electroplated for excellent conductivity and low power loss, ensuring your lights shine bright and efficiently. Now, let's look at the first connector, the LED strip-to-strip connector. Simply connect the red and black wires into one side of the terminal, insert the end of the LED strip into the other, and clamp it down with pliers. Plug it in, and just like that your LED strip lights up. Next, we have the LED strip extension connector. It allows you to join two shorter LED strips together. Just cut your strips, insert them into either side of the connector, clamp it with pliers, and power it up. Look at that glow! Finally, here's the corner connector, perfect for installing at corners of walls or cabinets. Similar process, cut your strips, plug them into the connector, clamp down, and voila, your corner lighting is ready to shine. With our welding-free LED connectors, installing your lighting has never been easier. Upgrade your LED experience today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting products.